Hi everybody, this is Toby from computersandtheinternet.com, WordPress.com. Today I want to show you a little easy trick. Got my computer open here, my desktop. All you got to do is take out the little screws, pop off the side. Anytime you're who's working on a computer, you just probably need just a regular screwdriver. But I'm going to show you about replacing RAM chips today. RAM chips actually control how fast your computer goes. There's two. There's the RAM and there's the processor. Now, most everybody tries to tell you to get, at least 2 gigs of RAM in a computer. I'm going to show you how to do this. Your RAM chips are these thin, narrow ones right down here, and there's usually just 2 little tabs that hold them in. You push them tabs back, and the chip pops right out. Now this is the thing about it. There's 3 different kinds of RAM chips. There's DDR1s, DDR2s, and DDR3s on it. If you look here, if it just says DDR, that means it's a DDR1, and this is a 1 gig. It tells you the size and everything. The difference between the RAM chip is this little spot right there. Now, if this is a different one, it'd be down farther or something like that, a little groove in the center of it. Okay? Now, you cannot put a DDR2 in a DDR1 slot because it won't fit all the way down because the thing will be all the way over here. A little slot on it. But all you do, and you got to make sure when you put these back in, is make sure they're in there good and tight. And make sure that little spot lines up where the groove is. When they're in, you just push down on it, and it clicks on both sides. And that means it's in. That's replacing a RAM chip. Thanks for watching my video, and check me out at computersandtheinternet.wordpress.com.